po yung aking sundo. Kasama ko. Ito po siya.
Hopefully this will turn us around once I get the ball rolling.
Lakad-lakad lang. After work again. Ayun yung pinagtatrabahoan ko sa likod. Yun yung store. Yan. Sa likod ko. Lakad-lakad lang kasi ang lapit ng bahay. Said, oo.
Oh, I guess. I don't know what I'm oh about, but oh, everybody.
Oo, everyone.
Oh, everybody.
Well,
Walking home in the Florida heat.
yep.
It's a little windy today, so
It's a windy
feels
day.
pretty good out actually. For the first time in forever.
Mas mainit pa dito, good guys.
Going home, eat some lumpia and some leftover
It's
Jollibee spaghetti.
spaghetti.
Got some groceries right here.
Ah,
It's fall time. Got some
pumpkin.
fall pumpkin coffee and some pumpkin creamer, and go home and make a fall cup of joe too.
Yeah. Siya po ay isang tirador ng BOGO ng pumpkin spice
Also,
coffee made.
my wife makes it very clear that you all love it when I speak Tagalog and
Pangasinan.
Filipino, so Pangasinan, yeah, so I'm gonna try to learn some more and do some daily videos of me talking in Pangasinan and Tagalog.
Can you say to them like ngarem, ngarem,
Nadaram?
ngarem at sikayon amin.
Nadaram?
Yeah, ngarem
Nadaram?
at
Ed?
sikayon,
Okay, well, I gotta work on that.
sikayon amin,
Sikayong
amin.
Amin?
Yeah. Yeah. Good job.
I get it, guys. I get it. One day.
One day. It's hot.
Oh yeah. Hopefully here soon.
I
My
bec-
wife and I will be starting a vlogging channel, and we would appreciate your support and follows.
Yeah.
And we will keep you guys posted. Hopefully every single day.
Yep. We are near to our home.
Into our home.
Our beautiful home.
Well, like beautiful apartment.